900s, 24:33 officially for Johnson. As section number 19 comes out. Remember that 23.4 is still there to beat. Still our time to be caught. Anybody can do it. Doing it, however, is the challenge. We're expected to conduct these bronze heats all the way up to the 11:55 hour. I'd imagine we'd be done with them sooner than then, as we've got 19 and 20 out of 45, and moving 2 heats has taken around a minute at a time, so we're moving at a good pace at this Ocean Breeze Invitational. 2 guys coming off the turn. It's Wesley King in 4 from Dream Charter, and Ryan Gomes of Toms River. East will surge out of 6. Gomes in the bright blue will take the win. He's got a pretty bright future with a finish like that. 25:09 for Ryan Gomes.